when they say I'm not hot. All these lies need to stop, cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on no bitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be.
Channel. So as you can see, your girl is rocking a new unit and I'm really loving it so far. Woo, I'm a little out of breath, sorry. Okay, let me get myself together. But yeah, it is my Jordan year and I figured I would have some fun and be bold. Therefore, I decided to try this unit. It is from Bobbi Boss and it's in the style YARA. And as you can see, it's just a really beautiful blunt bob wig. It has dark black roots and then it fades to this beautiful blue color. But let me just go to the specs. So I can say that I feel like the cap is pretty snug. However, I'm not really good to say small, medium. Like honestly, I feel like most caps are decent if they have like adjustable straps. This does, and it has clips as well. The texture of this hair is like, I don't want to say yucky and I don't want to say silky. Maybe it's like a silky yucky. Like it's very smooth and like laid. And I think you can use heat on this, but you don't need it because it just like lays so flat, like straight out of the box. It's insane. All I did with this was pluck the part a little bit, just a little, and I played around with baby hair, but I'm still gonna play around with it. So far I don't want to say that this sheds just because it did earlier, but I was plucking the part, so you know. But other than that, I haven't experienced anything now. It's kind of a little bit tangled, not really, but like the more you run your hands through it, sometimes it's just, you know, just a little bit. It's not too bad. So I just filmed a few steps of what I did. I didn't go in depth because I have a lot of in-depth videos on my channel. I will link them in the description box below, but I can update it if you guys would like to see that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'm honestly like thinking, did I forget anything? But if I did, I'll let you guys know in the description box. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell, okay? Bye guys. Mwah!